Hello and welcome back to another one of our cool videos. And today we are going to show off a stainless steel vacuum chamber with an acrylic door. So never mind this guy over here. We're not going to talk about this guy. We're going to talk about this system right here. So let's go over some of the cool features that this system has. So the first one, of course, is that it is a stainless steel vacuum chamber and it has an acrylic door. And what it also has is, these two clamps right here. And another cool thing is removable trays that are also stainless steel. So stainless steel removable trays. There's 4 of them in here. And then what it also has is a NW 25 NWKF, KF25, NW25 or QF quick flange, NW25 vacuum valve. It has a digital vacuum gauge. It has a venting valve here on the back, and then it also has a spare port. And this is a 1/4-inch adapter, but this is an NW25 spare port, and we just have an adapter to actually, it's plugged to a 1/4-inch NPT thread. And then this door has 4 hinges, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're adjustable, meaning that you can adjust it, and this is actually an advantage because you can adjust this vacuum door, make sure that the O-ring is flat. This is something that we offer. Some of our competitors, or most of our competitors, don't. They just have a set hinge that's not adjustable, but we offer adjustable hinges. And then another cool feature is a dry scroll vacuum pump. I don't think we've shown this before in the past. And we also have a VisiTrap, meaning it will trap any volatile compounds that are coming from the chamber. This is actually a drying system. So this is a vacuum drying system, which is why we're using a dry scroll vacuum pump. There are a couple advantages to the dry scroll vacuum pump. The first one is that it is it's a dry vacuum pump. So that's the advantage. And why are we not using a piston pump? Because that's also a dry vacuum pump. Well, a dry scroll vacuum pump is going to get you down to torr, millitorr ranges. A piston pump will not be able to do that. Like a diaphragm piston pump will not able to do it. So you're able to reach some high level vacuum with the dry scroll vacuum pump. And this one is is it Agilent? Agilent or Agilent? I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. We've worked with them for years, and I don't remember how to pronounce this one. I think it's Agilent. So that is this dry scroll vacuum pump. And then another advantage as to why to use this dry scroll vacuum pump is that if you are working with compounds or volatile compounds that may actually mix with the oil, with the rotary vane vacuum pump oil, it also may contaminate it and it may damage the vacuum pump. A dry scroll vacuum pump will not have that issue because it doesn't have an oil, so you cannot contaminate anything. It just pulls it, and then it exhausts is right here through this exhaust. So that's another advantage. And plus, we have this filter. This is an inline filter that is going to, it's a carbon activated filter that is going to filter out anything that's coming into the pump. So it's like a pre-filter, and it's going to double protect it. So there you guys have it. This is our latest and greatest system. I'm just going to open it to kind of show you inside a little bit. This is a stainless steel chamber. And as I mentioned, all 4 of these trays are fully removable. Acrylic door, and like I said, we have an dovetail O-ring groove in here, and it keeps the it keeps the O-ring in place. And then you kind of have to come in with, I think I've talked about this before, you kind of have to come in here, and you have to go in and you kind of pull it out. You start pulling it out here. Otherwise, you can't really pull out this O-ring. This is kind of cool. So yeah, there you guys have it. And I also think I've talked about our digital vacuum gauge. It goes to torr and millitorr with 3 significant figures of resolution. So when it goes over from torr to millitorr, it just switches the decimal points. So that's kind of cool. And then all of this, this is a very, very popular option. All of this is on a table frame structure on lockable swivel casters. Like I said, it's a very, very popular feature that our customers prefer, and it just helps you with moving stuff around. It just it becomes a dedicated table, and it has lockable swivel casters, so you can have a one person move it around at your facility. So yeah, this is all I wanted to talk about. There's nothing else more to add. You guys already know that we make cool products, that we make, the best vacuum equipment that's out there. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Of course, like and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions or need for a stainless steel vacuum chamber, and also if you guys have a need for a dry scroll vacuum pump or just a vacuum system in general, we'll see you guys on our website. Contact us. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a good one. Bye-bye.